Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at BluePrint EA, which is an expert advisor developed by Robson Santos and designed specifically for MT5. At the time of this review, the EA is listed as version 1.0 and the rental price starts from $30 for 1 month. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that BluePrint is described as an expert advisor based on Price Action and Martingale. The developer recommends using it on the M5 time frame or higher. And also note that all major forex pairs can be traded, with Euro USD highlighted as the best performer. Now, as I scroll through the product details, we can see a number of configurable settings. The EA includes a magic number setting, which is useful if you are running multiple instances on different charts and want them to operate independently. For position sizing, there are both fixed lot and automatic lot options. With automatic lot sizing, the EA calculates position size based on a percentage of available account balance, allowing traders to adjust risk exposure according to their preferences. The EA also allows users to define a maximum spread threshold before trades are taken, along with a maximum number of simultaneous positions. Now, one of the major components of BluePrint EA is its Martingale functionality. The developer provides the option to enable or disable Martingale, and traders can choose between arithmetic and geometric progression modes. Arithmetic increases lot sizes gradually, while geometric progression doubles the previous lot size as positions are added. Now, there is also a Martingale repeat interval setting that controls how often the same lot size is repeated before increasing further. Moving into the position management settings, the EA includes trailing stop and break-even functionality. These features can help manage open trades by locking in profits or reducing risk once positions move favorably. There is also a profit factor before close setting, which determines when all open positions are closed based on the relationship between profits and losses. The EA also includes trading session controls, allowing users to define specific start and end times for trading activity. Now, before moving into the backtest section, it is worth mentioning a few recommendations from the developer. A hedge account is recommended, VPS usage is suggested, high leverage is preferred, and the developer mentions a deposit of $10,000 or higher, while also noting that cent accounts can be an option for getting started. Now, let's just move over to the historical backtesting results. We're going to head over to the strategy tester right away. And as you can see, I tested the BluePrint EA on Euro USD, although I used the H1 time frame, and I tested it over the past 5 months from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. All right, so as I review the completed testing data and chart activity, I'm looking at how the EA behaved over the tested period rather than focusing on individual trades. Now, since BluePrint combines price action concepts with optional martingale functionality, position management becomes an important part of the overall approach. Looking through the historical activity, we can observe how the EA managed entries and exits based on its programmed logic, while utilizing the available risk management tools such as break-even and trailing stop when enabled. Okay, so the ability to limit spreads, define trading hours, and control the number of open positions also provides additional flexibility for optimization. Looking here, we can see that the EA is displaying, the martingale strategy that we observed on the marketplace page. We can see a position executed here, right? And if you look at I'm trying to also observe the lot sizes. I can see that the lot sizes seem to be consistent though. Okay, so we can see two sell trades were executed here, and both were closed around this point. We have a buy trade executed here and closed here. We have a sell trade executed here and closed here. All right, we can see quite a number of sell trades executed at different price levels. Okay, in this case, we had 0.01 lot size here, we had 0.02 here, and we had 0.02 here. And here, this was 0.01, and the four positions were closed around this point. Okay. Now, as always, I would recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Historical testing can provide useful insights, but broader testing periods often help reveal strengths and weaknesses that may not appear in shorter samples. So when reviewing the historical performance, it is important to remember that results are influenced by factors such as lot sizing, risk settings, broker execution, quality, spreads, slippage, leverage, and market conditions. Any optimization choices made by the user can also have a significant impact on outcomes. All right. So overall, the BluePrint EA offers a configurable MT5 trading system built around price action and martingale principles, with flexibility in the money management, trade management, and trading session controls. As with any expert advisor that includes martingale functionality, careful testing and risk evaluation are essential before considering live deployment. So make sure to perform your own optimization and forward testing so that you can determine whether the EA aligns with your personal trading objectives and risk tolerance. Remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and no expert advisor is foolproof. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. But before that, let's just briefly look at the results, the actual results that we got from the back testing over the past 5 months. From the initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 1,211.82, and the total trades taken were 470. Wow. And the short trades were 241 with 84.23% win rate, while the long trades were 229 with 74.67% win rate. And I can see that the largest profit was 254.4 and the largest loss was 34.76. The average profit 4.7 and the average loss 5.69. Okay, the difference between the largest profit and the average profit is very wide. So well, this shows that the EA seems to be open to holding trades for quite a while, or perhaps it could be the lot size that influenced the largest profit, because based on what we can see here, we can see that the profits the duration of the trades are not exactly very long, right? So the EA is holding trades for just short term. We can see on different instances it was actually short term holding. All right, but at the end of the day, the win rate is quite high and the risk to reward ratio is not good, sharp. It's not good enough, but the the difference is not so wide. So that is probably the reason why the total net profit was positive. Because if you have a bad win rate or a bad risk to reward ratio, of course, it influences the net profit. But in this case, the win rate is good. The risk to reward ratio, judging from the average profit and average loss, it's not exactly good enough. But when you put it side by side with the win rate, it's not exactly surprising to have a total net profit of about 1.2% over 5 months. All right. So if you found any value in this video, just give it a like and subscribe for more trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.